Today I'll share with you 3 simple ways of folding an iron cord. Now if you have this clip with the iron cord, this is useful for folding. Let me show you how. Firstly, empty all the water that is there in your iron. Once all this is cleared, just take this and wind it. See that you do not pull the wire hard, just a loose grip, and simply move it at the bottom portion of your iron in this way. Just wind it around like this, and then that clip you will push it on the second round in this way. See? And that's it. That's secure. You can just leave it anywhere in standing position like this. Now for the other one, I will show you how you can use an open ended bangle. So for that you'll need to turn the iron cord around your finger like this. Once you have a good amount of it, you can just hold it all together and then turn it in the same way. See? Now if you want, you can simply coil that around the full length that you have turned. If not, use the open-handed bangle like this, just on half bit of that portion that you have twisted, and then fasten it to the handle of your iron like this. And that's it. Again, you can keep it like this, or the best way is always to keep it in standing position like this. And then I'm going to show you the last, and I feel it's the most you could say time consuming way. So basically I have just taken 2 loops like this, and I am twisting the cord around those 2 loops. So basically this is going to take a lot of time. So you could say that 1 century later dialogue comes out here. And once you come to the end, you simply have to push in the socket of that iron cord like this. Then you can just leave it loosely aside, or if not, you can push this at the center handle portion like this. This is good in case if you are traveling for long term, you can leave it in this position. Which of these 3 iron cord folding ways did you like? Let me know in the comments. And for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe.